Hello, my dear. Today we will discuss here vocabulary, EPC Academy. Now, today we are discussing here most important vocabulary. Now, learn this vocabulary. Facade. Facade means mukhota. The way appears to be. Notion. Notion means dharana, an understanding of something. Flawed. Flawed means kami. Defect. Taboo. Taboo means varjit baat or forbidden. Fade away means gravate, decline, decrease. 6. Competent. Competent means competent means yogyata, capable. Prominent means famous, well known. मतलब प्रसिद्ध. Prominent means प्रसिद्ध. Indigenous. Indigenous means स्वदेशी, native. Glorify. Glorify means तारीफ, praise. Robust means मजबूत. Bar. Bar means निकालना, means exclude or ban. Plunge. Plunge means जैसे तालाब में गोते लगाना, ऐसे like that. Dive, crash, go down. Defect. Defect means निष्क्रिय, expired, invalid, defunct. Bilateral. Bilateral means bi means two, lateral means पक्ष, द्विपक्षीय, involving two sides. Evolve means विकसित होना, develop gradually. Impediment means रुकावट. Implausibility means असंगत, not reasonable. Escalate. Escalate means बदतर होना, to make something greater, worse, serious. Unwieldy. Unwieldy means भारी भरकम. Difficult to control because of its size. Fall out. Fall out means हार, bad result in a situation. 20 number. Scarcity. Scarcity means shortage. Punitive. Punitive means दंडात्मक, intended as punishment. Renege. Renege means त्यागना, to break a promise. Amenable. Amenable means आज्ञाकारी, easy to control. Easy to control. Amenable means आज्ञाकारी, easy to control. Next. Benin. Benin. Kind, दयालु. Renaissance means पुनर्जागरण, revival. Okay. Sabotage. Sabotage means तोड़ फोड़ करना. Sabotage means तोड़ फोड़ करना, सब तोड़ फोड़. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. डीम. डीम मीन्स विचार करना. डीम मीन्स विचार करना. स्टम्बल. स्टम्बल मीन्स लड़खड़ाना. स्टम्बल, लड़खड़ाना. लूम. लूम मीन्स संकट मंडराना. स्टम्बल, लड़खड़ाना, लाइक अ डम्बल. Loom. Loom means संकट मंडराना, to appear threatening. Strain. Strain means तनाव. ठीक है. Colossal. Colossal means बज, means बड़ा, extremely large. Oscillation. Oscillation means दोलन, means regular movement between one position and another. Bolster. Bolster means सहारा देना, to improve something. Gushing. भावुक, expressing so much enthusiasm that it doesn't seem sincere. Gushing. भावुक. Gloss over. छिपाना. Gloss over means छिपाना, to avoid talking about unpleasant. Gloss over. छिपाना. Vary means अंतर होना, means differ. Change. Prolong means लंबा खींचना, to make something last longer. Anxiety. चिंता. Peremptory. Peremptory means आदेशपूर्ण, to be obeyed without question. Peremptory. Volte-face. पक्ष परिवर्तन. Volte-face means पक्ष परिवर्तन, a complete change in opinion. Ordinance. अध्यादेश. Take a dim view. अस्वीकार करना, to disapprove. Maneuver. चालबाजी करना, to control, manipulate. Precaution means सावधानी. Pandemic. Pandemic. Basic. A disease that spread a whole world like a corona disease. Coronavirus. Basic महामारी. Pandemic means basic महामारी. Immunity means प्रतिरक्षा तंत्र, body ability to avoid disease. Vulnerable. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means कमजोर, weak and easy heart. Uptake. The process by which is taken into a body, that is called uptake. Epidemic means स्थानीय, local, a large number of cases in a particular community. Ramp up. Ramp up means बढ़ाना. Ramp up means बढ़ाना. Promulgate. Promulgated means घोषणा करना. Promulgated means घोषणा करना, to announce a new systematical way. Biz a biz means तुलना करना, की तुलना में, means in comparison with. Spiral means घुमावदार, a continuous harmful increase or decrease. Cope with something means manage, cope up with, like I cope up with corona means सामना करना. Blockade. नाकाबंदी. A barrier that stops people or vehicles. Blockade. Blockade. Predecessor means पूर्वाधिकारी, a person who did job before some else. Irrigation. Irrigation means सिंचाई, water supply to an area of land. Obligatory means जरूरी, compulsory. Appeal means निवेदन, request. Tenor. Tenor means भावार्थ. Accommodate. Accommodate means समायोजित करना, means something you are having, कुछ रखना या consider. Amendment means बदलाव, change. Pre-assume means पहले से सोचना, means think. Rankle. Rankle means भड़काना. Net upset for a long time. Leverage means फ़ायदा उठाना. Leverage मीन्स फ़ायदा उठाना, टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ, स्टैंड ऑफ, किसी नतीजे पर ना पहुंचने की स्थिति, स्टैंड ऑफ, किसी नतीजे पर ना पहुंचने की स्थिति को स्टैंड ऑफ बोलते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टुडे वी विल लर्न हियर टोटल 99 vocabs, so you have to learn these also. These enhance your vocabulary and improve your word power. Prevail over means बहस के बाद सहमति, to be accepted after an argument. Prevail over means बहस के बाद सहमति. Rhetoric वाक्पटु, language that influence people. Expedition प्रभावी, efficient. Latitude आज़ादी, latitude आज़ादी, leeway. Expeditious means प्रभावी, efficient. Constraints means restriction, means कुछ conditions. Detonate दो देशों के बीच के रिश्तों में सुधार, detonate. Pull back, pull means withdraw, वापस लेना. Escalate means खराब होना, to become more serious. Rupture अच्छे रिश्ते खत्म होना, rupture. The ending of the good relationship people. Pilgrim श्रद्धालु, a person who travels to a holy place. A person who travels to a holy place. Pilgrim. Regard परवाह करना, attention to a thought for something. Regard परवाह करना. Semblance गलत आकृति, a situation in which seems to exist although this may not in fact be the case. Deluge बाढ़, flood. Nucleus means केंद्र, center. Wrangling means बहस, argument. Trigger means शुरू होना, to make something happen suddenly, set off. Prediction means अनुमान लगाना, a statement that tells about a future event that may happen. Drainage means जल निकासी व्यवस्था. Encroachment means अतिक्रमण. Intrusion, trespass. Traction खींचने की क्रिया. Propulsion, drawing, pulling. Traction means खींचने की क्रिया. Fringe बाहरी इलाका, the outer edge of an area. Downpour, a heavy fall of rain. Downpour means a heavy fall of rain. Evacuate means खाली करना. Thank you. Have a nice day. My dear students, if any kind of problem you tell me and inform by comment. Have a nice day.